Hello, everyone. Today, I just want to do a recap and also analysis on one of the really awesome indicators. It's called Awesome Oscillator. You can see I already added that to the chart. If you want to add that, you just go to the indicators and here you type Awesome Oscillator, then it will be added to the chart. I have two moving averages as per my previous videos. These two moving averages are 34 and 5 period, and they just normal moving averages. The periods is of 34 and 5. The reason is if you check, you can see that the crossing points of the 34 and 5 is exactly matching the crossing of awesome oscillator through zero line. If you check every of these, you can see here exactly matching, exactly matching. So that give me a better view, better understanding of what's going on. And sorry, the reason I have awesome oscillator here as well is to use this beautiful colored lines, which has lots of things to tell you. Um, as you know, euro versus US dollar was on a downtrend for a long time. This last waves are, from 1st of July, you can see just gone down and down and down. But we all knew that at one point it will bounce back. But how to find this point is very important. One of the very, very useful methods is to just have an eye on the lows that awesome oscillator makes on a downtrend. So you can see if you add another line here, you can see we have higher lows, but in reality, on the price action, we can see we have lower lows. When we have this situation, then we know there's something going on underneath, and it's a good time to take the advantage of the reversal early. So how we can do that is if you see a few of these happening in a row and the price is still going down and down, then when you see uh, two green line just in a row like here, then it's a good time to go long. You enter the market here, and as you can see, the price goes up. You can add some here if you are, sorry, just one of those persons that open more than one position. You can add, sorry, some more here, and it keeps going higher and higher. And when you're closing, again, you don't wait for the moving averages because you're going to lose on the profit you made. After the second red bar, you can just close and exit the trade. Yeah. As you can see, this was a very nice trade, which if you have been, observing this indicator, you could have just have a very good trade. I can see, but now we can't say that one here. We just need to observe the market and find these situations and do some good trades. I'll keep looking at the charts and I will share with you guys the good trading opportunity if it arises. So don't worry if we can't find a good entry point now. Don't worry, don't open a trade just because you have something to open. Wait for the right time and then just enter the market. So nice trade here. And if we go and have a look at the history, you may find some of these. Just as a homework, just go back and have a look. Yeah, I had another video explaining how to trade on awesome oscillator. I probably be able to add the link to that one, or you just go to my channel and search for awesome oscillator. You will be able to find the video and just do some more research on that. Okay, have a nice day. See you later.